Last, let's take a look at some of our great new communications features. Let's start with email. I'm going to jump into Outlook, where as I pan down my work mail, you'll see that some of these items look a little different than the others. I'll go back to this top one from Stephanie. I'm going to expand it because this is a conversation, so you can easily read all those messages, or if you look at this thread and say, I'm not interested in following that, I can just click here, get checkboxes for all of those items, and hit delete or move to save the thread. It's an easy way to manage your email inbox, and we've built it in by default. Next, I'm going to go back to my start screen, where you'll see here I have a tile called Personal Email. One of the ways that we wanted to make email management a lot easier. You might have your work email in Outlook, but a lot of people have more than one account for personal email. We can bring those all together. We let you choose which email inboxes you want to put together and link, and we'll give you one tile that lets you see all that mail. It's a flexible approach that puts you in command of how you're going to do your work or your personal mail. The next feature area I want to talk about is called Groups. In Mango, we now enable you to set up groups of people that you want to interact with together. If you look here on my start experience, you'll see a tile there called Friends. That's an example of a group that I created. When I click on it, inside you'll see tiles for each of the 6 people who are members. And as these tiles animate, you get status information about what each of those people are doing, and that's bubbled up to your start screen for you. If I pan over, I can see a feed of what's new for all these people. This is their social network activity on Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn or Windows Live, all aggregated into one place. If I pan over again, you'll see all the pictures that these people have been taking or posting. There's pictures of all my friends together on Facebook, or I can view the individual albums of any of these people so I can stay up to date with the activity of my friends in terms of what they're doing with photos. The last thing that I'm going to do here is show you a feature we call threads. If you think about the way people have been doing typed messages between each other, there was text, but now there's lots and lots of different networks, and we've brought them all together. I'm going to touch Chris Gray here, and I'm going to choose to send him a message. And you'll see here in my message view, earlier I was having a text conversation with him. Here, he sent me a message using Facebook chat, which is supported as part of our Threads feature. And what I'm going to do is actually see if he's available on Windows Live Messenger. I'm going to switch over where I can choose between texting him, sending him a message on Facebook or Messenger. It says he's available on Messenger, so I'm going to say, yo, dude, you on your Xbox? Question mark, send. We know that Messenger can connect to your PC or your Xbox, and now with Threads, your phone can communicate with people on any of those networks, Facebook, Windows Live, or over text in a simple integrated way. And you see there, Chris has replied, yep, sure enough, he's on his Xbox. Dance Central is awesome. What you just saw were the main highlights of Mango: smarter and easier communications, apps, and the web.